Is brainstorming a crucial part of your daily workflow with clients? Let's streamline this process by using Ahsuite and ContextMinds. ContextMinds offers features for researching, brainstorming, planning, and visualizing content ideas in one place. Go to your map and click Go to Editing. Find the Share button in the upper right corner and copy the iframe link. Head to your Ahsuite client portal, make a new view, and paste the link in the URL bar. Your ContextMind map will be available in your client portal immediately. Clients and users can interact with the map directly within the Ahsuite client portal.
Aw, sweet!